Hello students. Today we see fifth lesson, that is education. In this chapter we shall review the main stages of scheme in the development of educational system in India. We shall take into consideration primary, secondary as well as higher education and besides research institute in some representative area. This will give us an idea of educational system throughout the country. Let's see. The first census of independent India in 1951 revealed the extreme complexity and interactivity of the educational issues in the country. First census means first Janaganana. Census means Janaganana. In the first census of the literacy level was 70%. It rose as shown below. देखो यहाँ पे जनगणना में लिटरेसी कितनी थी, साक्षरता कितनी थी इन 1971, दैट इज 34. 1981 यहाँ पे 43 थी, 1991 में 52 थी और 2001 में 64 थी. Improving this percentage was a serious challenge for the government of India. Several remedial schemes were put in place to deal with it. Let's see primary education. You know primary education. Primary education refers the schooling given to the children at age group of 6 to 14. 6 to 14 के ग्रुप को क्या बोलते हैं? प्राइमरी एजुकेशन बोलते हैं. ओके. प्राइमरी एजुकेशन refers the schooling given to children in the 6 to 14 age group. In 1988, the central government started the scheme for the spread of primary education and improve educational standards. It knows as Operational Blackboard. That operation is known as Blackboard. That scheme, that improvement for educational standards, that scheme is known as Operation Blackboard. The government made the funds available to help improve the standards of the schools and fulfill minimum educational needs such as at least 2 proper classroom. वहाँ पे क्या होने चाहिए, यहाँ पे needs दिए हैं 2 proper classroom, toilets, one of the 2 teacher to be female, a blackboard, maps, laboratory apparatus, a small literacy, playground, sports and equipment, etc. This scheme helped the primary educational system to gain some momentum. In 1994, this scheme was expanded and provision was made for one additional classroom. वहाँ पे जो needs दिए थे उसमें one additional classroom वहाँ पे provision में add हो गया for appointing one more teacher and also add there one more teacher in school with an enrollment of more than 100 students with priority given to girls schools with a majority of scheduled caste tribe students and school in rural area. रूरल एरिया यानी लोकल एरिया होता है. इट वॉज ऑल्सो मेड बाइंडिंग अपॉन द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट टू अपॉइंट फीमेल टीचर्स टू 50% ऑफ पोस्ट इन स्कूल. Again 1994, the district primary education program, that is DPEP, was started with the objective of universalization of primary education. It was implemented in 7 states including Maharashtra. The plan envisaged 100% attendance in primary school, arresting students dropout education for girls for the physically handicapped. It included programs such as research and evolution of primary education alternative education, creating societal awareness, etc. The midday meal scheme was started in 1995. It is a main point for the filling in the blanks. The midday meal scheme was started in 1995 to provide proper nourishment for students. Okay. Operation Blackboard क्या था? Operation Blackboard was undertaken in the year 1988 by the government. Okay. Funds were made available to improve the standard of school and to fulfill minimum educational needs such as at least 2 proper classroom. वहाँ पे क्या needs थे? 2 proper classroom, toilets, one of the 2 teachers to be female, a blackboard, maps, laboratory, etc. And the scheme was this scheme gave moment to primary education. And after that, in 1994, the scheme was expanded. Provision was made for one additional classroom and appointing one more teacher in school. Okay. बट वहाँ पे क्या होनी चाहिए, मोर देन 100 स्टूडेंट्स। फर्स्टली प्रायोरिटी उन्होंने किसको दी थी, द गर्ल्स स्कूल को। गर्ल्स स्कूल, द प्रायोरिटी वॉज गिवन टू गर्ल्स स्कूल, स्कूल विथ मेजॉरिटी ऑफ शेड्यूल्ड कास्ट ट्राइब्स स्टूडेंट्स एंड स्कूल्स इन रूरल एरिया. Okay, next let's see secondary education. What is secondary education? For midday meals कब start हुआ था, midday meals scheme was started in 1995. Let's see secondary education. That do you know is cancel. Secondary education after the independence education ministry Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad decided to bring about the fundamental changes in the field of education. The University Education Commission was set up for this purpose. This commission recommended the appointed of a separate commission for secondary education. According in 1953 to 53, 1952 to 53, the 1952 to 1953, the Mudaliar Commission was appointed. At that time, the pattern of education consists 11 plus 4 year for the first degree और 11 plus 1 plus 3 year. ये यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, पैटर्न स्टार्ट हुआ आफ्टर द इंडिपेंडेंस एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम सेट किया, उन्होंने क्या किया, सेट अप द यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमीशन एंड इट रिकमेंडेड द अपॉइंटमेंट टू सेपरेट कमीशन फॉर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन. उन्होंने सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन के लिए न्यू सेपरेट कमीशन अपॉइंट की एंड द मुदलियार कमीशन वॉज अपॉइंटेड इन 1952 to review the existing secondary education. Okay, let's see work of the commission. What is their works? The commission studies secondary education, the nature of curriculum, medium of instruction, teaching methodology, and made the certain recommendation. This commission proposed to concept of higher secondary education. However, it was found difficult to implement it all over the country. However, it was difficult. वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, there is a place of the existing 11 plus 4 or 11 1 plus 3 pattern in the commission. Okay, in Mudaliar commission. Okay, and the concept of higher secondary. That commission, that pattern commission recommended the concept of higher secondary. However, the same could not implemented all over the country. वहाँ पे क्या होगा, वहाँ all over country पे वहाँ पे same could not, वहाँ पे same नहीं थे. So the commission studied the secondary education as a nature of curricular, medium, instruction, teaching methodology, made certain recommendation. Okay, let's see Kothari Commission. What is Kothari Commission? In 1964, a commission was appointed under a chairmanship of Dr. D.S. Kothari or J.P. Naik, made valuable contribution to the work of the commission. The commission also recommended the 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern for secondary and higher secondary and university education. This system was implemented from 1972. पैटर्न 10 plus 2 plus 3 जो अभी स्टार्ट है हमारा, वो कब से इम्प्लीमेंट हो गया, 1972. द कमीशन आल्सो सजेस्टेड अ यूनिफॉर्म नेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ एजुकेशन, द इंक्लूजन of mother tongue Hindi, English in education, as well as continuing education, adult education, education by correspondence, and open universities to make education trickle down to the lowest rungs of society. It also recommended increased provision in the government budget for expenditure on education of neglected section like the scheduled caste and tribes. Maharashtra government adopted the 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern in 1972 and conducted the first standard X 10th board exam in 1975. Kothari Commission appointed in 1964, and what he recommend? He recommend 10 plus 2 plus 3 pattern for secondary and higher secondary and university education. This system was implemented for 1972. Okay, it also recommended increase the provision in government budget for expenditure education and neglected जो निगलेक्ट किए गए हैं सेक्टर, उनके लिए उन्होंने क्या किया, उनको लिए निगलेक्टेड सेक्टर्स के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया, दे इंक्रीज द प्रोविजन जस्ट लाइक कास्ट ट्राइब्स. Maharashtra adopted 10+2+3 pattern when in 1972 and board exam on standard state in 1975. Okay, here we complete Kothari Commission. Next video we see objective of education according to Kothari Commission.